Do you hate deciding what to make for dinner and for dessert? And sometimes you're just really not in the mood to make everything from scratch? Well, everything that I picked up from Aldi's turned out amazing for a beautiful dinner and a delicious dessert. So stay tuned and check out how I did it. So I picked these up from Aldi's. They are chicken and bacon twisters and honey barbecue flavor. So they're already pre-seasoned. And this is what I'm going to be making for my husband for dinner tonight. They're a little hard to get out of the package, actually. So let me get these two out of the package and in the pan. I want that bacon to come out nice and crispy and the chicken to be nice and cooked on the inside. So I'll show you what else I'm going to be making with this. So stay tuned. So these are done. They cooked up beautifully. The bacon's nice and crispy. And now I'm just going to put them on the plate. So again, these are from Aldi's. The frozen broccoli is from Aldi's. And I got the Bob Evans mashed potatoes from Aldi's. So this is a nice, quick, easy, simple dinner to make that looks like you slaved on it all day. And everything was purchased from Aldi's. And these chicken wrapped with the bacon, $4.99 for the 4 of them. Well worth it. And they are absolutely delicious. And Greg's going to love his dinner. Wait till you see the Aldi's dessert that I made for him. That's coming right up. All right, so Greg's dessert tonight, everything's from Aldi's, from the bake shop, is this delicious banana cake. And it's got walnuts and everything in it. Absolutely delicious. And then, of course, a banana from Aldi's. And then this whipped topping I buy all the time from there. It's always under $1. And it tastes exactly like Cool Whip. So I'm just going to put a couple of pieces of the cake on a plate. Now I can't open it. There we go. I'm just going to put a couple of pieces of the cake on a plate, slice some banana on top, and then top it up with a Cool Whip. Wait till you see how it looks, and it's so fast and easy and delicious, and everything's from Aldi's. So this is how it looks, and if you love bananas, this is the perfect dessert for you as well. Absolutely delicious. Thanks, guys, for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscription button and that notification bell. And see, you don't have to be a master chef to make a beautiful dinner and dessert.